Hey everyone, I am down at the beach as usual with Ruby the Wonder Dog, and I've added two things to my kit, to my little iPhone video kit. The first is a standard selfie stick, but what I'm noticing is that extra 18 inches enables me to put the camera into a more interesting frame. It's not so close like this is all the time. And I've also added a little lavalier mic. It's a little $20 corded mic, and just to show you the difference, I'm going to unplug it and continue talking for a couple of seconds. We won't be able to hear anything, which is good. I guess it's good news that I'm going to subtitle this. That's my little test with my walkie-talkie selfie stick and the new $20 lavalier mic. Altogether, I think the whole thing was like $25 between the two. Have a great day.